Cultural influences on behavior. Human behavior does not exist in isolation. It is shaped by the culture people are born into, the traditions they follow, and the values they learn throughout life. Culture acts as an invisible force that teaches people what is right and wrong, how to behave in society, and how to interact with others. Every action, emotion, and decision we make is influenced by the cultural environment surrounding us. Understanding cultural influences on behavior helps explain why people across the world act differently even when faced with similar situations. From early childhood, culture becomes a teacher. The family is the first institution that passes on cultural values. Parents and elders guide children on how to speak, greet others, and behave in social situations. For example, some cultures encourage children to express opinions openly, while others value silence and respect for authority. As children grow, schools, religion, friends, and media continue to shape their behavior, reinforcing cultural lessons about morality, cooperation, and ambition. These influences form the foundation of one's identity and social behavior. Cultural norms are among the strongest influences on human behavior. They are the unwritten rules that guide how people should act in specific contexts. In some societies, making direct eye contact shows confidence and honesty, while in others it is seen as rude or disrespectful. Greeting styles also vary widely: handshakes, hugs, bows, or simple verbal greetings. All reflect the underlying cultural values of respect and connection. Such small differences may seem trivial, but they reveal how deeply culture shapes daily human interaction. Emotional expression is another area where culture plays a major role. Although everyone experiences emotions like happiness, anger, or sadness, the way these emotions are expressed depends on cultural expectations. In individualist cultures, such as those in the United States or Western Europe, people are encouraged to express feelings openly. Expressing emotions is considered healthy and honest. In collectivist cultures, like Japan or China, people are expected to control emotions, especially negative ones, to maintain group harmony. A person raised in one culture might find the behavior of someone from another culture too expressive or too restrained, not realizing it is a reflection of different cultural training. Culture also shapes communication styles. In high-context cultures, like those of the Middle East or East Asia, people communicate indirectly. Meaning is often conveyed through tone, facial expressions, and shared understanding rather than direct words. In contrast, low-context cultures, like Germany or the United States, value direct and clear communication. They believe that clarity shows honesty and efficiency. These differences often cause misunderstandings between people of different cultural backgrounds. What one person perceives as respectful politeness might be seen by another as evasiveness or dishonesty. Cultural values strongly influence moral behavior and decision-making. For example, in individualistic cultures, personal freedom and independence are highly valued. People are encouraged to pursue their dreams and speak their minds. In collectivist cultures, however, maintaining family honor and social harmony takes priority. People may sacrifice personal desires for the good of their family or community. These contrasting values explain why moral judgments differ across societies. What seems right in one culture might be seen as selfish or wrong in another. Culture even affects thinking patterns. Studies in psychology show that Western societies tend to encourage analytical thinking, focusing on specific objects or events separately. East Asian societies promote holistic thinking, emphasizing relationships and context. This means two people can interpret the same situation in very different ways, depending on the way their culture has trained them to think. Motivation also varies across cultures. In individualistic societies, success is defined by personal achievement and recognition. People are driven to compete and stand out. In collectivist societies, motivation often comes from the desire to fulfill group expectations or bring honor to one's family. Teamwork, loyalty, and cooperation are emphasized over personal gain. This explains why people from different cultural backgrounds may have different attitudes toward competition, leadership, and cooperation in workplaces or schools. Culture deeply influences gender roles as well. In many traditional societies, men are expected to be providers and protectors, while women are expected to care for families and homes. Modern societies, however, are challenging these traditional roles by promoting gender equality and allowing individuals to choose their paths freely. Cultural expectations determine how people behave in relationships, what careers they pursue, and how they view authority. As cultures evolve, these roles continue to change, reflecting broader social transformations. Another key influence of culture is on mental health and coping strategies. In Western societies, mental illness is often treated medically through therapy or medication. In other cultures, psychological distress may be understood in spiritual or social terms, perhaps as a result of imbalance, curses, or emotional disharmony. Consequently, people seek different kinds of help. Some turn to doctors and counselors, while others rely on religious or community support. This shows that culture not only shapes how people behave but also how they interpret and respond to challenges in life. Globalization has made cultural influences more dynamic. As people travel, migrate, and connect through media, cultures mix and influence each other. This blending creates cultural hybridity. People adopt new values, languages, and customs while preserving elements of their original culture. However, it can also lead to identity struggles, especially for immigrants who must balance traditional beliefs with new cultural norms. Culture is therefore not static, it constantly changes as societies evolve and interact. Understanding how culture shapes behavior is crucial in today's interconnected world. It promotes empathy, tolerance, and better communication. For example, teachers who understand cultural diversity can manage classrooms more effectively. Employers who respect cultural differences can build stronger and more cooperative teams. Healthcare workers can provide more sensitive and appropriate care by recognizing cultural beliefs about health and healing. In global politics, recognizing cultural values can help avoid conflicts and promote peaceful cooperation among nations. In conclusion, culture is the foundation of human behavior. It shapes how we think, feel, and act. It determines what we value, how we communicate, and how we relate to others. No behavior exists without cultural influence, and no culture exists without shaping behavior. When people understand cultural differences, they become more accepting and open-minded. Recognizing cultural influences allows societies to build bridges across differences, reduce prejudice, and promote peace. Human diversity becomes a source of strength rather than division when viewed through the lens of cultural understanding. If you found this discussion about culture and behavior meaningful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Your support helps keep the channel growing and encourages the creation of more videos that explain complex social theories in simple and engaging ways.